Shipping's fun.
This is ridiculous.
All right, listen. When I say go, we go. But don't let Frank catch it. Go!
Who's Frank?
Mater! Wait, Mater! Okay, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of him and then honk. And they do the rest. Watch this. I swear, tractors is so dumb. I'll tell you what, buddy, it don't get much better than this.
Yep, you're living the dream, Mater boy.
I don't care who you are. That's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. Fine, stop, okay? All right, I'll do something.
What's this? What's this big old bill? Release the dogs! Yes! Yes! Their favorite cartoon character, from Paw Patrol! Chase! Wait, stop! You dare defile my order, peasant? Ryder then realized he needed to take Chase to the vet. This is all his fault. Who loves Paw Patrol? I know I do, guys.